Auzu billahi
Ji
minash
sir.
shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma aftah alayna hikmataka wa ansur alayna rahmataka ya zal jalali wal ikram. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa 'amalan muttaqabbalan rizqan tayyiban. Allahumma afini fi badani, Allahumma afini fi sam'i, Allahumma afini fi basari, la ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, now today we are going to learn that about how to identify error and make necessary correction. So we are going to check these programming statements. Actually these are pseudocode statements, and we need to identify errors and make some necessary correction. So let's see what we have over here. First let's check on the first statement. On the first statement we have the comments over here, so there is no problem with that. So comments will tell us what we are going to do in next step. So here we are going to use functions to calculate the volume of shape. Okay, now which shape we are going to calculate? Function is keyword mentioned over here, and function here there is no error. Where a cuboid is identifier name. Fine. And now in the function they are passing parameters base, comma, depth, comma, height, means the three variables, and inside the function always returns something. So it's returning what? After multiplying the base, depth and the height, it will return its volume. Okay, fine. But now the problem is the same way it will calculate the triangular prism. This function will help us to calculate the volume of triangular prism. So there is no space over here, we need to put underscore here. Rest is good. Okay, now next thing is volume of sphere, means this will help us to calculate the volume of sphere, and we are taking using this radius over here, and here is the formula 4 divided by 3 multiplied 3.14, and we will multiply radius 3 times and n function. Okay, now how to pass the value to all these functions? First of all, I am going to call this function. So the so how to call this function? Just we will write name, it's as it is at the bottom, cuboid volume. Let me write a keyword over here. Let's suppose we need to call this in the main function, so write a comment here. Let's call the function in the main program. So we are going to create main program first. Okay, now here is main program. So here I will use a keyword here, call, and what I'm going to call cuboid volume, and then we need to pass variables over here from the main function. So base, depth and height, there are several ways. So what if I will type over here, let's say base 10 according to this formula. So where is the formula I have over here? So base, then depth, and then height. So let me write over here, let's suppose base 20, comma, depth, let's suppose depth is okay 5, and the height is, let's suppose 10. That's it. When I will pass these parameters, these values from the main program, it will directly jump over here. 20 will go over here, 5 will go over here, and 10 will store in these variables, and then it will return the result. So now what if I want to call this function, this will run again. I want to call this function again, because function will help us to increase the reusability. Okay, we can reuse it again and again. They will help us so that we can call it anytime, and it will save our memory, save resources, save time, and we can reuse it again and again. Now I'm going to call it again, but this time I'm going to take input from user. First I will type comment over here, or just write input function here, please enter. So I will ask from user, okay, please enter base of cuboid, enter base of cuboid is equal to, then after that I will put comma over here, and then I will just type base variable. So now again I'm going to type what here, again I'm going to copy this statement again to save the time. Same for the depth, because what we are calculating the cuboid volume. So let's please enter the depth of cuboid. So after comma is a separator, I will type here variable depth, and the same way over here press enter button, okay, paste again. So now instead of this I'm going to type height and just change this message. So instead of this I'm going to type height, okay, height of cuboid. So let's write over here comment as well. Let's calculate the cuboid volume. Okay, this is a comment. A compiler will ignore these comments. Okay, this will help us to understand what we are going to do next. And this is for not us, for maybe this is for us as well, because maybe we will again see or read this code after 10 years, after 5 years, after few months. We will go back and we will check this code again, so we are able to understand why I have written this code, what is the purpose of all these statements. So I will read these comments, and these will help us. Okay, so that's it. So I have taken 3 inputs and store in these variables. Now I'm going to call a function over here. Where is function? This function call is a keyword. So let me copy this, Control C. Now I'm going to call a function here, and I'm going to pass these variables that I have taken, input that I have taken from the user, base, depth and height over here. And now all these values go directly where? It will go directly over here. Okay, and the same way when you want to call the triangular prism, so you just need to type over here call triangular prism and pass its value, okay, parameters from the main function. So function sphere volume, pass radius. Okay, fine. What if we want to call a function? Let's write its name over here, sphere. Okay, now it will take only one single parameter. So what if I will just pass this value 20, call sphere function and pass the value 20, and it will directly jump where? It will directly jump over here. 20 will come over here, and then it will perform all these calculation, and it will return this result. That's it. If you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, like and subscribe my channel. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.